Come along, come and play. Let's make music every day. In the playground, take a stand. We're the shapes in the playground band. Circle rolls around so round, banging drums with a bouncy sound. Roll, roll, roll on the ground. Circle's beat goes round and round. Square goes clap, tap, tap. Clap your hands and give a rap. Four sides strong, just like that. Square plays music, tap, tap, tap. Shapes, shapes, 1, 2, 3. Playing music happily. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. The playground band's got a beat. Triangle sings, ting, ting, ting. Listen close to the song it brings. 1, 2, 3, its sides can ring. Triangle loves to dance and sing. Star shines bright and plays so high. Twinkle tunes light up the sky. Spin and twirl, don't be shy. Stars music sparkles in your eye. Heart goes boom, boom, boom. Spreading love in every tune. Dance with friends, there's so much room. The playground band goes boom, boom, boom. Shapes, shapes, 1, 2, 3. Playing music happily. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. The playground band's got a beat. Circle, square, and triangle too. Star and heart are here for you. Play and dance, that's what we do. Shapes love singing, how about you?